Nowadays, everyone is talking about MCP servers. But here's the most confusing part. Some people say MCP server will replace API. Some people say MCP server is another API. And some of them are building MCP server without even understanding why API even already exists. So today I am going to explain this in the most simplest way possible. Not with theory, no any jargon, just a simple real-life Azure architecture experience and Indian analogy which you can relate easily. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what an API does, what an MCP server does, and why they are not the same thing. When an Azure architect should use MCP server versus Azure API management. And probably this is the most practical explanation of MCP server you will find on YouTube. Welcome to AI Catalyst. Here we simplify complex AI topics into clear and easy English for the Indian audience. Before understanding MCP server, we really need to understand why API becomes so popular at first place. Let's take a real Indian life example. You go to a restaurant, you sit down on the table, but you do not directly speak to chef. You do not directly go to the kitchen. You do not touch the cooking system. Instead, there is a waiter. Waiter understands the menu. Waiter takes your request. Then it takes your request to kitchen and bring back the food at your table. That waiter is basically an API. The kitchen is your backend system and customer is an application which consuming those services. APIs were designed to create controlled communication between the systems. An API is simply a controlled gateway to access different functionalities. For example, checking bank balance, sending WhatsApp notification, creating Azure resource, reading customer data. Now all these functionalities are generally exposed through an API. In Azure world, it's become more powerful because large enterprises have multiple teams, multiple applications, and multiple security layers. And that is where Azure API Management becomes more powerful and important. Azure API Management helps companies to secure APIs, monitor traffic, apply authentication, track usage, create developer portals. So basically, APIs are designed for application to application communication. Now here comes the big shift. AI agents are not simple applications. They can think, they can decide, they can choose tools dynamically. And traditional API was never designed for this kind of interaction. This is where MCP emerged to fill this gap. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It is a standard created to help AI models to communicate with tools and systems in a structured way. Let us reuse the restaurant analogy once more. Earlier with API, the customer has directly asked waiter for specific items. But now imagine customer is a smart AI assistant. As AI assistant not just order the specific food items, but it can also read the menu, can discover more dishes, can ask follow-up questions, and it can order anything dynamically. So now instead of a simple waiter, you need someone smarter who can guide AI assistant. And MCP provides that layer. MCP is not replacing API. MCP is just helping AI to understand and use the tools logically. Now let us compare these two side by side. APIs are mainly designed for applications with fixed request response patterns. Developers manually integrate the endpoints, mostly determined and strong for enterprise integration. MCP is designed mainly for AI agents with dynamic tool discovery. AI can decide which tool to use dynamically with context-aware interaction, and it is strong for agentic AI systems. And now let us see how this becomes more practical and important in Azure. Suppose your company have Azure OpenAI, Azure Functions, Cosmos DB, internal HR system, a ticketing platform. Traditionally, you will expose all of them through an API, and Azure API Management will sit in front of them to ensure the governance, security, monitoring, and rate limit. And this part is still valid and important. But now suppose you are building a Copilot for the employees, a Copilot which can check leave balance, which can create tickets, read HR policies, schedule meetings, query databases. Imagine writing a manual custom code for each of these tasks for integration through API. This will become massive very quickly, and this is where MCP becomes useful because MCP allows AI models to discover the tools, understand the description of the tools, decide which tool to use when, and also it passes the structured context to the system. In simple words, Azure API Management manages the APIs for the enterprise systems, and MCP helps AI models to use those systems logically. By the way, if you are completely new to MCP, I have already made a beginner-friendly video on this topic where I have explained the MCP architecture from the scratch. And also, if you are confused between MCP and RAG, I have another video where I compared those two side by side in a simple language. So you can watch those videos after this video for a deeper understanding. If this video is helping you to understand the complex AI concepts in more practical way, then please subscribe AI Catalyst. Because on this channel, I explain the AI, Azure, security and architectures topic in very simple way, directly coming from my 12 years of experience as Azure Solution Architect. Before I wrap up this video, I want to share one important thing with you. There are many creators online which are claiming MCP will kill API. This is simply not true. MCP still depends on the backend systems, and those backend systems are mostly still published through an API. In fact, MCP server itself internally called API for the different systems. So API is not going anywhere. Instead, MCP becomes an intelligent orchestration layer for the AI-driven systems. So as the final key takeaways from this video, if you are building a traditional application, mobile apps, enterprise integration, API is still the correct solution. But if you are building AI agent, Copilot, agentic AI system, then yes, MCP becomes the more powerful and right choice. And in real enterprise architecture, MCP and API will work together, will not compete with each other. So if you found this video helpful, please like it and share with your developer friends, and I will see you in the next video.